So guys, as you saw in last video, I was created for the line chart, and today we are going to discuss about the Google Map. Google Map is a key factor for reporting in Data Studio, because by the help of the Google Map, we can so easily track our records, like where the sales is high, where the profit is high. We can easily track like what is the situation of our sales and profit. So for creating the Google Map, we need to go to add a chart and find out the and need to click on Maps. So I click on Google Maps and going to draw this chart in wider range so that we can easily understand what's going on there. Okay, so I am dragging it out, and till then it's fit in my dashboard. So big at its data and style. So this is in dimension it's a country, and in matrix we are going to put sales and profit. So I'm going to in matrix I'm going to put at sales, and then in additional matrix I'm going to put a profit. Okay, in Google Maps we can easily represent and we can easily track, like, so in this map you can easily show the wider circle is showing the highest sales and the profit, and the small circle is showing the lowest sales and the profit. Okay, and the so we click on style, and we can change the colors. Okay, it's in map automatically, but we are going to set as in satellite, like how we can track from the satellite. So this is the satellite view of the Google Map, and we can like change the colors. It's showing 100%, it's 100%, and this is showing the color for the bubbles because it's in form of the bubble, and we can reduce the size of the bubble because the previous size is too high, and we can change the text, and in the below, like we scroll down here you can change like highest sales you can change the color, like click here and change the color to green. Like the green bubble is showing the highest sales, and the middle sales is showing orange, and the last lower sales is showing the red. So you can change the color so that you can easily identify where the sales is going down and where the sales is average and where the sales is like higher. So by the help of the color you can select here, you can increase the size, decrease the size, and find out the location where your sales is increasing or decreasing. Guys, this is very important for representation, because with the help of the Google Map you can easily find out, like you can easily track where your sales is increasing or decreasing, where you having the more profit and more sales there. So you can check in the background, and there are a lot of options where you can change the text, and bold or background you can several settings are there. So but for this Google Map, I think because we are using the satellite view, there is no need to change the background. So and so we can change the style as per your requirement. Here I'm going to click on view so that we can see what's on dashboard in view mode. So by the help of this, if you are going to click on any bubble, like you will get on sales and profit, how much sales and how much profit is there. So click on each and every bubble, you can get the range, what is the how much the sales and how much the profit is. You can easily identify and you can easily represent in front of the, like once you are representing your report. So by the help of the Google Map you can prepare the interactive dashboard by so that you can impress your presentation. So it's a very fantastic look, and you can track and find out the location where the location is. Okay, and this will show you the image where the location is. So I'm going to back, and easily you will get the city's name and area where your sales is increasing or decreasing. Click on edit. I will go, and I want to show you the I will go to style, and I will change it to map, so that I want to also show you that how how this Google map is showing in map view. So I will click on style and will click on map. This will show you the map view. Click on view and it will show you like you can simply represent by the help of the map. So other process is same, like you can click on bubbles and you will get the like green bubbles is showing the highest sales and the profit, and then the orange is showing the average, and the last red bubble, small bubble, is showing like the condition is bad, we need to work on that places. So it's a very easy and important topic. So that's it in the topic. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Have a good day.